Okay, so hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about natrium chloride crystals, and I am Ahmad Syahmi bin Ahmad Sultan here to present to you. So in general, one might say, what are crystals? Crystals form in nature when molecules gather to stabilize when liquid starts to cool and harden. This process is called crystallization and can happen when water, or generally in liquid, evaporates from a natural mixture. Many crystals start small, but as more atoms join, they create a uniform and repetitive pattern, hence the crystal grows. So in general, this is how crystal is formed. So now we go a little deeper on how they are formed. So most solutes, so in this case we're using natrium chloride, dissolves partly in a solvent. So unsaturated solutions can dissolve more solute when more is introduced into it. So when a solution is saturated, no additional solute can dissolve at a set temperature. So increasing the solution temperature generally helps to dissolve more solutes. A solution that has been heated and cooled can become supersaturated at a lower temperature. Hence, when a supersaturated solution contains more solute than at the lower temperature, so crystals are formed. So I'll start with the crystal structure of the natrium chloride. Chloride ions are cubic closed-packed type of arrangement, which it contains chloride ion at the corner and at the center of each face of the cube, and sodium ions are so located that there are 6 chloride ions around it. The structure of the sodium chloride consists of 8 ions a unit cell. 4 are natrium ions, and at the other 4 are the chloride ions. Natrium chloride is composed by the natrium FCC unit cell plus the diplease of the chloride ion FCC unit cell. So for the next part, I'll present to you how I did my crystals. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I did my beautiful crystals. First, you all need a good amount of salt, boiled water, spoon, a container which is to hold and contain the crystal, and a piece of cardboard. So essentially, to start off, pour out some hot boiling water to the container and stir the salt into the boiling hot water until no more salt will be dissolved. And note that the water should be close to boiling point, as close as possible. I'll also be using cardboard to get quick in progress, which in this case it helps brings out the crystal quicker. This requires some good soaking of the cardboard itself in the supersaturated salt solution that I've created. Once it's soggy, place it under a windy area or under the sun to dry out. And as you can see, numerous small salt crystals will form in a few hours. And this is my result for the main part. As you can see, it's not much, but I can still see some crystals popping here and there. For the main part, the supersaturated solution that I made just now was still good as new, so I poured it in a bit into a more smaller and wider container to see a variety of how a crystal can be made with different ways of method. And after a good couple of hours, I was surprised as the solution popped out several rocky crystals, as you can see below. And after a few hours passed, you can see that the crystals started growing more and more throughout my entire video process, and this is a good sign. And after several days, this is the end result that I got, and this is one of the beautiful things I've ever seen. And with that, I end my video. Thank you very much to everyone, and I hope you enjoy it.